Hey, what's up, you guys? All right, so after you fill out your profile, you create a profile with Arise, these are some of the things that you're going to be doing next. So the next thing that you're going to be doing is a background check. So with Arise, you have to do a background check like most places of work. They just want to know if you have a record, things like that, because you're going to be dealing with sensitive information for the clients. The next thing that you're going to be doing is filling out the paperwork. So you're going to be filling out a non-disclosure agreement. Basically, you're just saying that you're not going to be sharing any information about the company with anyone that's not affiliated with the company, either online or through other means of communication. The next step would be is you sign up and say whether you're going to be an IBO, whether you're going to sign up as an agent under an IBO, or whether you're going to be a sole proprietor. So once you move on from that stage, you should have access to the job board. So when you get to the job board, you get to see all the clients that are available to you. So the way to choose the client is totally based on you. You know, some things that might be a factor are how much you're going to get paid. Another thing of a factor is how quickly does it start so you can start getting paid. You might want to look at how long training is or what time the trainings are available based on your schedule. So if you have a day job and you want to start training with Arise, then you would try to choose a client that has training in the evening after you work. Or if you go to school, things like that, you know, when is the best available time for you? And based on your lifestyle, based on your financial goals, based on the reason why you want to join Arise, partner with Arise to service clients, that's how you would choose a client. So once you choose a client, you're going to be doing some checks. So one of the checks that you're going to be doing is the technical check. So you want to have your computer, you want to log on your computer and do the technical check. So once you hit the button where you do the technical check, it'll scan. So it's going to be scanning your Wi-Fi connection. It's going to be scanning to find out if you have the correct amount of storage, things like that. Now the PC scan is different for each client. So for some clients, you might not have to have the same amount of storage as another client. Yeah. The next check you're going to be doing is the voice check, the voice assessment. So you can do the voice assessment. You don't have to have your headphones at that time. You can do the voice assessment through your phone, cell phone, landline, and basically you just put in your phone number, they're going to call you, and you're going to be reading what you see on the screen, and that'll be your voice assessment. It's really easy, nothing to worry about. If you get nervous with things like that, just take a deep breath, take your time, and read what you see on the screen. And then the next assessment that you're going to be doing is the assessment for the company itself. So that's a longer test. So you'll get choices A, B, C, and D, and you can take your time. If you have to take 1 to 2 hours, 3 to 4 hours to finish the assessment, take your time to do this test. Don't just blow it off, because if you do not pass the assessment, you will not be able to continue in the registration process. Now, to get the answers for the question, so some of these questions you'll know, some of these questions you just won't know. So if you don't know something, what do? We go on Google and we research it. So take your time, go on Google and research any questions that you don't have the answers to, and finish the assessment. Once you're done with the assessment, it'll tell you if you passed or not. If you didn't pass, you will not be able to service that client for the next 90 days. If you did pass, then you'll be able to service, and then you'll be able to choose your training time and pay. If you didn't pass with that client, don't fret. You can choose another client and do their assessment, pass it this time, and you'll be able to start, you'll be able to pay for the class and start training. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the value that I provided, hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. If you're ready to get started on your work from home journey, I have links below. Click on that link and I'll send you the information. All right, good luck, you guys. Bye.